Hi guys, how are you? Hopefully you are all fine. Now I am here. I will tell you about how to switch into another company that is available in Peachtree for demo. Here in a fighter, you can switch to another company, and the following window appears before opening a list of the available company. Do you want to keep the group of companies open? It just asks you about this action. If you want to do this company remains open, then you click it to yes, or while it's for you. So here you can see that there are the multiple companies available in the Peachtree software that will help you in learning and understanding the basic functions and the procedure of how to understand and how to create transactions and entries into a Peachtree accounting system. So it's for your learning purpose. So we switch into any one of them. So let's enter into a stone arbor construction. So you have to press on the OK. So you can see that we have switching into another company, that is update company 2. Okay, welcome to page conveyor wizard. Yes, next, and into company name, the file name, it's for the backup purpose. Before you can convert company to once. Okay, so open an existing company, create a new one. So here you can open an existing company. Here it could ask you about in which company you have to enter. So at first I have entered into a Taha group of company, and now we are entered into Stone Arbor Constructions. So press on OK and OK. So next, and it's the backup. Ask for the backup. Okay, save here for the backup. Okay, so before entering into the another company, it's the system first recommend you to take a backup already opening company, because it prevents you for the data loss. So now you can be able to enter into a new company, that is the stone. So setting up the wizard, recovery in progress. Here it starts some wizards, because the Peachtree is converting our company data to the new format. So please, we don't have to interpret the conversion process, and the length of the conversion depends on the size of the company data and the way in they're converting. So we should have to wait for some time. Okay, it's created multiple files extracting. So Peachtree is basically is an accounting software that helps an accountant in this technological era to maintain records and helps in bookkeeping. So it's a digitalized method. As you know, there are multiple ERP systems used in many organizations, which integrated multiple departments. So now we have to enter into our Stone Arbor Construction Company that we have selected to OK. So here we are. Here you have that there's a lot of data in this company, and because this is a demo data company, so it helps you a lot in understanding about the functionality of the PC accounting software. So let's we have start. This is the business status tab, and here you can see that what is the status of the Stone Arbor Construction Company. So you can see that here is here it's the account balances, and means that all the accounts that are shown in the chart of accounts of the company Stone Arbor Constructions. Here are the account categories, account types, subcategories, and the main account. So if you want to view account list, you have to click on this. If you want to view balance sheet, you have to click on this. If you reconcile accounts and import bank statement, you have to click on this. It's a uh, very simplistic and a complex use integrated system. So you can see that the uh, screen shows us the account lists. Here you can see accounts shown in the company's chart of account that have been imported or created at the time of uh, you know implementation. So here are the accounts, here are the discount assets, liabilities, equity, uh, and all every category of the account type, and accounting account related depreciations, tax payable. So these accounts help you in accounting, because uh, uh, accounting is follows the double entry principle. So if there is any debit, there should be a credit to settle off such transaction. So these are the accounts that are used in uh, you know with different transactions, posting, and a lot of things. Here you have different action tabs. You have to close this, you have create a new account, you have to open any one account, petty cash account. You have to print it, setting, refreshing it, everything you have on a single page. So here we have opening an account called an account. uh, Here you can see that the petty cash account is now opened and the account ID is appear on our screen. So here we can see that the transactions history related to the above accounts, that is the petty cash account type, the cash. Here account type, here you can also see a lot of account, account receivables, payables, accumulated depreciation, cash, cost of sale, equity, fat close, liquidity gut close, the expenses, fixed assets, everything that you want to attach it. Here is the options. You have to create any account type, means it provides you a lot of flexibility. So you can see that here on December 31st 2008, there is a debit balance of 500. There was periodic activity 500, running balance 500. So this is the accounting balance. Opening balances, you can also account opening balances. See here select period to enter prior year adjustment. Here you get to ask you to prior year adjustment. So you click any of it. So let's see what's happened. Here you can see that the prior adjustment to September and as expenses. Here we can see that the trial balance is made of the balance of the account. In order for the trial balance to be in the balance, sum of assets and expenses should equal the sum of the liabilities. So here you can now that you can see the petty cash opening balance. You can enter into any amount like 1,000. Okay, so you can click on the OK, and your current balance is $1,000. Trial balance must be 0 to save beginning balance transaction. If you press OK, it will beginning to OK. So that's OK. So a process will run. Yeah, now you can see that before all balance is 500, and now after posting $1,000, now our balance is 1,500 running balance. So this is what, and here you can see that you can create also here a new account. if you want to create a new account, so you can create it from here. You know that this it will ask you about account ID. Here you can see that the chart of the account category all or in the showing it's in the accounting key flexes codes. You can see it's the coding units. So here you can create and the save account, save and new, delete everything here. The most important function is the report. So let's I have to go to reports. At first we have to close it. Why should he not close? Okay, now we have to close it. So so here you can see that you can refresh it. You can send to Excel. You can send your data to Excel. You can email. You can create a PDF. I mean everything you can want to do. Here the option is available for you. So there's no need to be worried about this system. So here I can run a report. So let's see which kind of reports our Peachtree system has created. What's happened? Reports, account reconciliation, account register, account variance, chart of account report, journal ledger, journal, every kind of report you want, you have to get it. So I have to want the chart of account reports. System is a bit slow. Okay. So here is the account chart of accounts report. You can see here is the company name and below is the heading of the report and the cut-off date, and here's the cut-off date, and you can see the filter criteria report with the account title, here account ID, account description, active account types. Here the account ID, everything active. You can see that it's a comprehensive report. You can change it even for say print call. You can add a columns in it. You can customize it. So here you can email it. You can even convert it to Excel. You can go a PDF. So there are a lot of options you have to do. Now I want to do here. Yeah, you can see that in the report tab also available on the left side of the your account list window. So here is. So let's try to uh, get report from here. I have to get report for journal. Okay, here is the report of the journal, Stone Arbor Construction journal for the period December 15 to March 2009. Account ID, reference, term description, debit amount, credit amount, everything that are happening in the system. You can show it, you can present it, you can get all the information that is entered into a system in a more precise and a presentable manner. So this is a very amazing system. So here is other reports also. A reconciliation report is also where that is loading. Where is report? Where is report? Oh, here is it. Here is our account reconciliation report. Stone Arbor Construction account reconciliation. It's the cut-off date petty cash. Where is the petty cash reconciliation report? You can see the bank statement date 31st March 2009. So here is the beginning GL balances 1500, cash receipts during the period, less disbursements, nothing, less others, nothing here. So ending GL balance is 1500, Ending bank balance, nothing. Adding deposit in transit. Total deposit in transit, less nothing. Total outstanding checks, nothing. Add less order, nothing. Total orders. So ending GL balance is 1500. So this is the account reconciliation report that have been generated by using Peachtree in the Peachtree. So let's have a look on an account register also. So I have a battery. I have a battery. So I'm coming. Okay, so where is our account reconciliation report? Oh, sorry. Account register report. Here it is. Here it is. Here is account register. Is there is nothing to show. Oh, for petty cash, there is nothing to show. Let's say we have to change an account, so we can clearly understand about such report format and information that we get from it. So let's have a look on account receivables. Account receivables account. Oh, so sorry. You can see it's similar to the previous example I have telling you. So we have a look on the account register report. Uh, here it is. Here is an account register report regarding the account receivables 11,000-00- so stood up construction account register for the period from January 1, 2009 to March 31st, 2009. So here is the date of the transaction number 801, 802, 310, type of the deposits, all the deposits, yeah, transaction description, Balina, transaction deposit amount, withdrawal amount, balances. Here you can see everything that is entered into a system. You have to get a report of it. So let's have a look on account variance report. Here you can see that stone urban construction account variance for the period from January 1st, 2009 to March 31st, 2009. So account ID and account description is given as an account receivables period and first 31st January 2009, and actual amount you can see here is the actual amount. Here is the no, there is no any budgetary amount, so there is no budget set for this account, and so that's there is no variance. Over amount is 0.62 actual amount is because there is no budget amount, so there is to show the over amount is 60,215 $2 minus $0. So over amount 60 100 201 so over percent is 0 because if we have set a budget for it, so we have rarely get over percent. Let's have a look on inventory. I hope that for this they have to. Oh no! Oh yeah. No, here is also there is no budget set for it. Materials. Let's have a look for on which account has the budget. For income statement, maybe for income statement for revenue, they have such for wages expenses. Maybe they have any variance or they have budget. Oh no, here is nothing to show. So uh, let's have a last try. So we have to clear more things regarding this. Where? Where is sales? So sales. Hopefully for sales, maybe management set some budget. Oh, here we are successful in our search. So here we can get the budgeted amount. You can show that the actual is 1 lakh 11,458.74 and the budget is 85,000. So you can see that the over amount is 26,458.74 and the over percentage is 31.13%. So you can see that our actual amount is more than the budgeted amount, and you can see that it's the sales account. So it's a favorable variance. So for favorable variance, we have a plus percentage. And similarly, in the second scenario, that we have the payroll date after 28th Feb 2009. Here we also have a favorable budget of $12,233.93. So our percent is 10.55%. So here is you can see that our budgeted amount is greater than our actual amount, as we get lesser of our target. We failed to achieve our actual budgeted target, so we have a unfavorable amount, and that is shown in a negative figure. So for unfavorable variances, we have a negative 30.80%. So the here net favorable percentage is 0.93%. So here I think you are clearly understand about the budget and variance report. How it is useful for a manager or for an organization in decision making, or even setting a budget, because you can now better that there is a bit different kind of budgets, like a rolling budget, like an incremental budget, flexible budget. So it's helpful a lot in management for making decisions. So let's have a look on general ledger. General ledger for the stone or the construction. Here is the journal ledger account of the sales. You can see there every transaction, every day-to-day transaction. Here you can see what is credit amount, what is debit amount. There is nothing in a debit, there is a credit. Here you can see the balance amount. You can see everything, each and everything that your user created in where is Peachtree accounting software. So let's we have a move on another step. We now enter into a view account list step, and where I can see a lot of things that you can I hope that you can better understand regarding these things. So here we can start the view balance sheet. So you can see that the balance sheets to our construction company's balance sheet is also prepared by Peachtree. Here is an assets account, current assets, petty cash, cash on hand, regular note. These are the account balances that our Peachtree system picks, and there are your total current assets. There are the non-current assets, the property and equipment, furniture, fixture, equipment, vehicle, all the depreciable property, building improvements, something like that. A lot of you know information is available in this system reports, so we can get that or asset, lot of things, the total assets, the total liabilities, current liabilities, non-current liabilities, our capital or equity, total liability and capital. I mean, this is a amazing thing. So let's have a move on the reconcile account and import bank statements. It helps you to import a bank statement and an account reconciliation. So here if you see the cash on hand account reconciliation show all deposits. Here you can set up the set a parameters that show all deposits and bank credit pass checks and bank debit deposits mean all. If you set all and okay, then let's see what is happening. What is happening? What is happening? Okay, okay, now set it. Okay, what is happening? There is nothing to do here. What's this? I think system is here. Which account? Cash on hand. Here is okay. Here report is the same. I think you have to see on it interest income under clear indicator. Here you can see that the GL unreconciled difference is the 3649.45, and the beginning transaction you can see here is the account to reconcile, beginning withdrawal, beginning deposits. With everything you have to enter into the system, which helps you. Here is the import option where you can import our bank statements. Uh, Here for account purposes where okay. So this is the account balance, account balance chap. Over this area, we have to cover, we have to overlook this area, and now our test target is our revenue. How to see the revenue? So we here you can see the where also the income statement view. Here is the income statement view. Revenue, sales is the current month, is the year to date, and it's year in the March 31st 2009. Here is the all income statement accounts and as well as an account balances along with net income. So let's have a look on here. You can see that the total revenue, cost of sales, gross profit, expenses, net income. Here you can see that representation is in the form of the line chart as a graphical representation, very pliant view. You can see very presentable. Edit a budget. Here you can edit a budget also. You can edit it timely because due to external and internal factor, and you have to revise your organization budgets, and so you can change even your organization. You can set your organization budget. You can change everything you have to do in this system. This is the date wise and daily. It will be date wise direction. Okay, so here you can also import a data from an Excel or to for your convenience. So here is you can want to close it. View account variance report, and that I have already seen here you can see all accounts and their variances. You can see here all kind of accounts as well as their variance. You can see here a comprehensive report. You can see regarding variance. You can see it's all of the chart of accounts appear in this area. You can see the all of the accounts here in this report, so you can print it and review it. So our next is to customers who owe money. Here you can see that these are the customers that are account receivable for us because we have some credit sales to them. So and I will overlook this area and on the in my next video. So I think I have to stop my video on this. So if you have any query, you have to comment, and you have to give your feedback regarding this. Okay, thanks for watching and wish you best of luck.